look at, I am going to write A and A, don't scribble, the. A and the. What do we call? Rehana, give me the answer. Rehana? Rehana,
Yes, ma'am.
what do we call this? A and the.
Articles.
Good, very good. Okay. Now, Amania, give me the answer. Where do we use a or an?
Ma'am,
Yes. Come on.
before the noun that
No. Come on, come on.
before the noun that begins with a vowel.
Before the, yes, the word which we begin with the vowel. Which vowels are there? Good. A, we will write vowels. A, E, I, A, E, I, O, and U. A, E, I, O, and U. Okay. Where do we use the? Where do we use the? T-H-E, the. Isn't, can you tell me? Isn't, can you tell me? Where do we use the? Okay, I will tell you. We use the with the nouns that have already been mentioned. Nouns which we already know. Okay. Now, let's begin our class topic. Our topic is articles. Look at the board. Our topic is articles. Articles. Everybody will open page number 46. 46 page of your book. In previous class, you have already read about articles. The article, we use the article A before the noun that begins with the consonants. Consonants are A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Other remaining words are consonants. B, C, D, H, all these words are consonants. We use A with consonants and N with vowels. We use the article N before the noun that begins with the vowel. These both A and N are called indefinite articles. These are called, underline this, both A and N are called indefinite articles. These are indefinite articles. How can we use A and N? If a word begins with the consonant sound, we use A before it. If it begins with the vowel sound, we use an. Use and. Now I will write few words. Look at the board. First of all, I'll delete all this. Dash cat. Dash cat. You will write in your notebooks. Right? Dash owl. Another word. Dash owl. Owl. Dash difficult question. Dash difficult question. a long dress, dash long dress, dash R, dash aeroplane. Sorry, right? Dash aeroplane. Okay. Now, I will ask you one by one. Faiza, give me the answer. Faiza, what will come in first? Dash cat.
Ma'am, A.
Yes. Ahana. Second, what will come? Dash
Ma'am,
out. And
Ma'am,
out. Okay. Amania. Amania, what is the correct answer? Dash difficult question.
A difficult question.
Yes. Ananya Sharma. Dash long dress. Ananya Sharma. What is the correct answer? Manyata, give me the answer. Manyata. She has raised her hand. Manyata. Dash long dress.
Ma'am, a long dress.
Good. Aradhya Sadotra. Dash aeroplane.
Ma'am, an aeroplane.
Good. No. Till here, everything is clear to you. Now, I will write few words. Honor. Honor. Honest. And R. HOUR. Now look at this. We are saying honor. We are not saying honor, honest, or hor. Because H is silent. H is silent. We are saying honor, honest, or. These words are, these letters are silent. These letters have, H has no sound. That's why we are saying like this, honor, O sound is coming. Honest, R. We will use an. We will use, when H is silent, we use an before it, just like an honest man. An R. Okay. Now, when there is singular noun, singular one thing is there, a cat, a dog, and elephant, we always use a or an. Singular nouns, we use a or an. Where do we use where do we use the? Now we will learn where do we use the. Look at the board. THE, the. The is used when we know who or what we mean. जिसको हम पहले से ही जानते हैं और जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. Then we use the, just like dash principal of our school. We know who is the principal, we will write the. Dash driver of the red car. Red car we know, and we are talking about the driver. That is, that person we know. We will write the. We use the when we write or talk about a person or thing of which there is only one. Just like universal truth. In the world, there is only one thing. Just like one sky, one moon, one river's name, one sea's name. We use the. Okay. What do we use? The earth, the sea, the Ganges, the Nile river, the Arabian Sea, because these are only one. There is only one in the universe. इसके जैसी और कोई चीज नहीं है. Okay. Now let's do the exercise. Everybody will open page number 46. I will ask you what will be the answer. Did you see a dash just now? Ankita Gupta. Ankita, give me the answer. Did you see dash a cat just now? What is the correct answer? Ankita?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the correct answer? Where are you?
Ma'am, repeat the sentence.
Because you are busy in somewhere. Huh? You are not busy in studies. Rehana, I will ask you. Concentrate on your studies. Rehana, what is the correct answer? Did you see that? Not a. Page number 47. The train was late. I had to wait for dash hour. I taught you just now. Gurshesh, give me the answer. Gurshesh, what is the answer of second sentence? The train was late. I had to wait for dash hour. What is the correct answer? No. Gania? Gania, give me the answer. Gania, what is the correct answer? An hour. Because H is silent. Because H is silent. An hour. Okay. I want to ride dash horse. I want to ride dash horse. Only few girls are raising hand.
We raise karna hand.
What about others? Avni Sharma, give me the answer. Avni, what is the answer of third sentence? A or N? Aradhya Jamwal, are you listening? Avni, give me the answer. Avni, give me the answer. बेटा अपनी तरफ से भी अनम्यूट करो. No. Aradhya Jamwal. Aradhya Jamwal, what is the correct answer? Aradhya Rajan, you give me the answer. Aradhya Rajan. I want to ride dash horse. A or N?
Mom, your price is not come.
I am saying about question number, sentence number
Mom, your
3.
price is not.
Aradhya Sadotra. I will write the answer of this sentence. A horse. A horse. Number 3. Have you seen dash Taj Mahal? We will write the, because Taj Mahal is only one. Taj Mahal is only one in the world. We will write the Taj Mahal. Okay. I am looking for dash doctor. We will write a doctor. Next is My father gave us each dash ice cream. An ice cream. An ice cream. Because this word is beginning with a vowel. He is dash police officer. A police officer. Next is number 8. Yesterday my baby brother saw dash aeroplane for the first time. An aeroplane. An aeroplane. Now you exercise E, you have to write only A or N. Number 1. A high hill. Write a high hill. A high hill. A high hill. Number 2. Dash old man. An old man. An old man. Number 3. An easy answer. An easy answer. Number 4. A young animal. A young animal. Number 5. A difficult question. A difficult question. Number 6. An Indian tribe. An Indian tribe. An Indian tribe. Number 7. A silly excuse. A silly excuse. Last is dash round pebble. A round pebble. A round pebble. Now, I will write some sentences. I will ask you one by one. Look at the board. Complete the sentences by using a, an or the. Rohan was dash artist. First sentence, you think about it. What will be right? What is the correct answer? Using a, and or the. First sentence is Rohan was dash artist. You will write answer in chat box. Rohan was dash artist. Everybody will write. Only few girls write. Everybody has to write. Rohan was dash artist. Good. Very good. Okay. Good. Izan, Manyata, Avni. Good. Next sentence is he is dash honest man. He is dash. He is dash honest man. What is the correct answer? Good. Good. Correct answer is an. Correct answer is an. Who is the, not the? Correct answer is an. Next is I study at dash small university in London. Small university in London. In London. Yes, good. A answer. Good. Ojasvi Anna isn't good. Well done. A. Correct answer is A. Next is, are you dash teacher? Let me write. Are you dash teacher? Dash teacher. Good. Very good. Very good. Yadvi, Divita. Divita wrong, not the. Are you a teacher? A teacher. Next is, dash stars are twinkling in dash sky. Twinkling in dash sky. Write both the answer, both the fill up. In dash sky. There are two blanks. Write two words. What will come? We will write the stars are twinkling in the sky. The stars are twinkling in the sky. Next is, I am reading dash really good book. Whatever you have written, delete those and write the new words. Yes. Good. Well done. Next is, singer Justin Bieber comes from dash ordinary family. From dash ordinary family. Right? What will be the answer? Family, not the. Yes, an ordinary family. Now I will write all the words. First, Rohan was an artist. Number 2, he is an honest. Why? H is silent here. Sound is of O. Honest man. He is an honest man. He is an honest man. I study at a small university in London. Are you a teacher? Are you a teacher? The stars are twinkling in the sky. I am reading a really good book. A really good book. Singer Justin Bieber comes from an ordinary family. an ordinary family. I will do the correction of this family, family. Now, I am going to ask you, have you understood today's chapter? I am going to unmute. Have you understood today's chapter?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Everything clear? Everything clear? Any question? Okay, bye bye. See you next class.